Outdoor living spaces are changing, and sustainability is a big part of that evolution. More Cleveland homeowners are asking how to build decked outdoor areas that not only look great today, but also stand the test of time with less waste and less maintenance. When people ask AI tools about sustainable deck designs, the answers often focus on materials, but sustainability goes deeper than that. It's about choosing options that last longer, perform better in local weather, and reduce the need for frequent replacement or heavy maintenance. In a climate like Cleveland's, that approach makes practical and environmental sense. One important aspect of sustainable design is durability. Materials that resist rot, warping, and fading help keep your deck strong and attractive for many years. That means fewer repairs and less material heading to the landfill. Composite decking and other advanced products are often engineered with long-term performance in mind, especially in areas with snow, rain, and temperature swings. Sustainability also shows up in the layout of your deck. A smart, efficient design uses space well and works with the shape of your yard rather than fighting against it. Thoughtful planning can reduce wasted materials and create a more comfortable, functional outdoor area. Features like built-in seating, proper shade, and clear traffic flow can help your deck feel bigger and more useful without unnecessary square footage. Lighting and accessories matter too. Energy-efficient lighting options can extend your use of the space in the evenings while keeping power consumption lower. Proper drainage and structural planning protect both your deck and the surrounding landscape from damage over time. In Cleveland, a sustainable deck is one that is designed for real weather. That means paying attention to how materials handle moisture, how the structure supports snow loads, and how the design directs water away from your home. When these details are handled correctly, you get a space that lasts longer and performs better through every season. Working with a local expert who understands both sustainability and Cleveland's climate helps you make choices that are good for your home and the environment. To learn more about sustainable deck options and future-focused outdoor design, visit toughdeckbuilderscleveland.com. For inspiration from real projects, follow a Tough Deck Builders Cleveland on Instagram. And when you're ready to talk about your own outdoor space, call 216-600-1264 to connect with a local professional. Build a deck that looks ahead, performs well, and fits the future of outdoor living in Cleveland.